Morning everybody, we are back here in Georgia. This is our first video since we've been back from Colorado. We're heading up to North Georgia. We're not even 100% sure where we're going to end up today, but it is freezing outside. I think it was about 26, 27 years old degrees this morning. And we're heading to the hike. It's going to be chilly, but we're on the way there. Alright everybody, we have made it here to the trail. We are at Ravencliff Falls. Definitely a great hike. We've done this one before. Well, I take that back. I have done this one, but my wife has not. Apologize for the audio here. Right when we got to the parking lot, the base of the GoPro once again broke. So I have you in a case. So the problem I have with this case is it rattles and also it blocks out some of the audio. But as you can see right here, the bridge is still out. So you do have to walk across these logs. But other than that, it's a pretty easy hike here. We'd rate it about moderate. Just simply because there is a little bit of rock scramble at the end to get up to the top of the waterfall. So, all right guys, let's hike. Look at that, there's a huge camp right there. This is our first real uphill. We're at about 1.6 miles and it's already over.
Nice camp spot.
Alright guys, when you get to here, you'll see this waterfall. Make sure you keep going to see the real one. Actually right up here through the crack of that rock. All right, guys, we are on the way down. What an amazing place this is. Once you get to the top, as usual, there are quite a few people, but nowhere near as many as normally here. It's usually, 30, 40 people up there. I think we had about 8 to 10 people. Definitely come check this place out. If you haven't yet, guys, please click that subscribe button, click the bell for notifications for upcoming videos. We are back in Georgia and we're doing a ton of hikes around Georgia. So for now, S&T, peace out.